Okay, good morning, evening, afternoon to everyone all around the world. My name is Aldi. I am the weirdest tutor that you will have ever find on the internet. And today we will be talking about what would you do if you meet vowels followed by another vowel in Sundanese letter. Let's go. Okay, so if you meet a vowel followed by another vowel, on a general rule, if the vowels are the same, you would put a short break between the two syllables. For example, this word, yeah, you would read this one as laan, yeah, laan, which means if some laan means like how do I put it? Let's say if you have a motorcycle or a cap, like let's say this cap, yeah, this is for my deodorant cap, and then the cap is off, you would say laan. Or if you need to take off your clothes, you would say laan as well. That means that. Or this word, ti is. Yeah. So you would put a break between ti and is. Yeah. Ti is. It means cold. Ti is. Or buuk. You would put a break on these two words, buuk. Yeah. Which means hair. Buuk. Hair. And then this also applies to the A as well. Maybe we have HS. Yeah, HS. Yeah, you would also put a break. HS. Yeah, HS is sleep. It also applies to Let's say we have seul. Yeah, seul. Seul is like nauseous. You know, when your stomach doesn't feel too well, you feel nauseous, you would call it seul. Yeah. So if you see the same two vowels, it means when pronouncing or when you pronounce the word, you would put a short break between the two vowels. So it also acts like a separator of the two syllables. Yeah. For the rest of the case, you just have to slide the vowels in a way or another. You can also put short breaks, but usually short breaks are for the same two vowels. So if you see a vowel followed by another vowel, you would pronounce it as you slide the sounds. For example, laun. Yeah, laun. Laun means slow. Or maybe sai. Yeah, sai means good. Or siun. Siun, yeah, siun. Yeah, it means scared. Or maybe do it. It's everybody's favorite. Do it. Yeah, do it means this is also a loan word from Indonesian, if I recall correctly. This is money. Yeah. Or maybe boa. Yeah, but we are not going to talk about Boa Hancock of One Piece, but the pronunciation is boa, the same. Boa means maybe. We also have poe. Yeah, which means a day. Mm. Maybe a beak. Oh yeah, beak means spent until it's empty itulah. Spent empty. So if you say something beak, it's like, okay, this is my bottle of hand sanitizer, and as you can see, it's almost empty. When it's completely empty, I will say that beak. It's like completely empty. Beak. Yeah. Or deui. Oh yeah, don't forget deui. 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 Which means again. Yeah. So as you can see, when reading Sundanese words, when there's a vowel followed by another vowel, if it's the same two vowels, you would put a short break between the vowels. So la, an, ti, is, buuk, hes, se, and everything. Now, if it's two different vowels, if it is two different vowels, you just have to slide the sounds like laun, sae, sieun, duit, boa, poe, deui, beak. Yeah, you just have to slide the sounds. Okay. Okay, I hope this video has been useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and spread this video to everyone you know. And if you have any kind of questions about Sundanese or West Java in general, or requests of content or everything, don't forget and don't hesitate to put it in the comments. Okay? See you in the next video. Bye-bye.